Welcome to Digestible Government with Mimi. Today, let's talk about teenagers and their summer jobs. What does that mean for the parent? School is out, summer is here, and your teenager just got their first job. Congratulations! But now you're wondering if you can still claim them on your tax return. Let's talk about it. There's usually three frequently asked questions that parents ask me once their teenager gets a job. They usually ask me, can I still claim them on my taxes at the end of the year? A lot of parents think that once their child starts working, they automatically lose them as a dependent. That's not necessarily true. So here's some rules of to govern yourselves on. If your teenager is under age 19 or under age 24 and a full-time student, and you provide more than half of their support, you may still be able to claim them as a dependent. Even if your child earns income, they may still qualify as your dependent. The second most frequently asked question I get from parents is, can their child, their teenager, file their own taxes to claim a refund? And that answer is yes. On the 1040 form, there is a box that needs to be checked. It asks, can someone claim you as a dependent on their tax return? The answer is yes. As long as you are claiming that child as a dependent, they would mark the box yes. Your tax preparer can also inform you of what the next steps are. But yes, they can receive a refund if they paid more withholding over the threshold that allows them to receive a refund based on the taxes withheld that year. The third frequently asked question I receive from parents that have kids that have summer jobs is, how do I fill out this IRS form? So what you're referring to, or what most parents are referring to, is the federal withholding form, which is called Form W-4 from the Internal Revenue Service or Department of Treasury. So if you have a teenager or a child that you are claiming as a dependent, the simplistic way to make sure that you pay enough into federal withholding is single and zero. And what I've done is I've added a mock-up form for your reference to guide you through how to fill out that form. Every situation is different, but before you assume, you need to make sure you understand the rules. I'm Mimi Terry with Digestible Government, and if tax rules seem to confuse you, you need to talk to Mimi. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope this information was helpful to you.